Welcome back. Got a kind of a cool crossover episode today. My buddy Jesse's channel, Honda Motive, is coming over with his Camaro SS. We're gonna put a new front end on it for his channel, but I bought him a little surprise, so stick around, wait for him, convert his SS to ZL1.
I do not have
no ETA on how long this might take.
ETA. Okay. I could barely even get the grills clipped together because it's misshapen, so it's
Little warp from in the box, needs some heat.
Yeah. Do you have a heat gun? Okay.
No.
We'll just figure it out.
I got a little torch.
Yeah.
What do you mean you can't fit that in the car? Just hanging out the window.
I know, I was like, I could probably put it in the trunk, but then I'm like, no.
Hanging out the back.
It's gonna break.
I don't think he's got a 215.
T50.
This is definitely gonna look a little more aggressive here. Got a peanut gallery over here.
Yeah, your car's all right. 5 minutes later, Jesse, oh my God, slow down. You're gonna die.
Jesse, does this mean your pole dancing days are over?
The what?
You might dance for you.
I mean, I'm hoping I take a little break at least. Pull it out of the fender.
Jesus.
Crack the whip.
No, it's stuck on something
Here.
Oh, here she goes.
Yeah, it's
here. I
okay.
didn't want to yank that.
The whole kit and caboodle coming off. Oh, we got a wire connection.
Here we go.
I don't have any.
Told the world of your mistakes. A little boo-boo.
Shit happens. Just yank, it's already fucked. No, because there could be...
Oh, yeah.
Pop clips you need.
Have to
Yeah.
swap over.
The new kit came with no hardware.
No hardware.
There's only 87 clips on this thing.
It's not plastic at all.
See, it's not this.
There's a
Oh,
lot
there's an
going
earwig.
on in here.
There's an earwig. Yeah. So you know it's a Chevy product.
This we have to
There's the spider in there coming out.
swap over. The body shop yet? You ain't gotta tell me twice.
Like a glove. Oh,
And darn fits like a glove.
OJ's glove.
this ain't a Bronco.
No, it means it's a tight fit.
The bumper is pretty rough.
Yeah, need some prep for paint for sure, but that's not your problem.
No.
Wham, wham, wham.
Should look good though. Only thing you need some lights, but you'll be able to sell your lights probably for,
Yeah.
What?
I mean, I can get the Oracle ones and give them back as a core. So.
yeah. Well, let's get this thing mounted up shortly here. Gotta get the splitter on and crash bar. We set. Baby Tavares baiting it.
Use the mallet. You don't want to hurt your palm. Get carpal tunnel.
There you have it.
Just beat it, beat it.
Well, they don't line up like at all.
Where'd this come from?
Ford on.
Ford on?
Yeah.
But it's a Chevy,
I know.
not a Ford on.
I think that's the problem.
Should have bought a Chevy. Looks pretty mean. It's definitely, the splitter is lower. Like the whole front end looks
That looks mean.
Yeah.
pretty mean.
I like it with the black though.
Yeah, looks like a Batmobile.
Nice. This.
The lights line up good in those corners that we didn't really know where they would stay. Still don't, but some 3M. Might just need some 3M on that corner.
Yeah.
But all in all,
it slid around that headlight as nice as it did.
yeah, that turned out pretty good.
Because I spent some time on it already. Yeah. A little bit sloppy of a fit and finish on some of these parts.
Some fine tuning and tweaking and
Yeah.
some paint should be mint.
Good.
Compared to the old one, not bad.
because it's missing a lot of stuff. Definitely got to order some ZL1 stuff, but other than that, I think we're looking pretty good. So
Yeah, I like it. It's nice.
it looks good.
It does.
And Jamal here made you a big wing. Look at it now.
No,
Air brake.
Air brake.
Big old air brake.
Big old air brake. Seems like body lines line up pretty good, so I'm pretty happy about that.
Yeah, once it's fastened in.
I don't like how these kind of just aren't anything. It was definitely hard getting all these grills and stuff popped in. Other than that, she went on.
Yeah, grab it. Definitely missing something though. You know what it's missing? A big fuck off wang.
You really?
Really?
Oh man.
Happy birthday, big guy.
Happy fucking birthday, buddy.
Hey, you're
Check
fucking,
it out.
No, you're a fucking legend, buddy.
Dude, I told you.
Made my fucking day.
I know your day was shitty and long, and this bumper's not fitting perfectly, but this thing's dope.
This is a big wang.
Look at your big black wang!
Oh my god.
Now this should hopefully fit nicely. And the fit and finish on it, it's already fully finished, gloss black, so it doesn't need paint, nothing. It's ready to go.
Oh, buddy.
Big wang. Now, let's mock that up in the back.
No way.
No way, no way!
Look at, he got me the wing. That's so sick.
So we got a bunch of uprights. It comes with all your 3M tape already pre-cut to all your end pieces and everything.
Unreal.
All the hardware, unlike your front bumper.
Yeah.
Like all the pre-cut pieces, everything ready to go.
What about
Your
a
mounts?
stencil
It should bolt to the factory bolt holes.
that I don't have?
On this, underneath here.
Okay.
Isn't there bolt holes?
There might be.
If not, then we might have to drill some holes, but
We'll have to look up a stencil then, but
it should. Maybe not, but we'll figure that part out. Pretty minor all in all.
Yep.
Under those, there should
yeah,
be bolt
there's
holes.
2 bolts.
Oh, I thought you lost
One
that
bolt.
for a second. No, that's to hold on this wing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that one gets removed and then you mount the ZL1 wing.
I think we might have to
We
drill,
drill one hole, but at least we got one locator. We'll have to just assemble the wing, the hardware maybe, and
That'll square it up and then
see what it looks
drill
like.
the other hole.
But pretty minor all in all. It's gonna
Making
be
my
badass looking though.
making my SS a ZL1 in 24 hours.
Exactly. This is a full ZL1 conversion kit right now. Front
That's
bumper. Now we got the wang. Big old wang.
That's dope.
How old are you turning tomorrow?
27.
27.
27 with an SS converted
From
to
area
ZL1.
27.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, we need a heat gun to get these off because they're just 3M.
I got a heat gun. Not
Yeah,
with
we
me,
might not be
but I
able to
have
do it tonight or whatever then, but we should still like assemble it and mock it up, see what it looks like.
Yeah. This is also
All just glued on.
3M.
To be fair, it did say it was only good to a 2021, but then I googled will it fit. They're the same. It's the same deck lid, just slightly different whatever, but it should be easy enough to sort out. Like
Now
Oh,
where to
there's
be my
2.
chair?
back on the ground now. Looking pretty menacing.
Was it a pain in the butt?
Yep. Definite pain in the butt. And the wing did not quite turn out perfectly. Had to do some fixing of the riv nut. And turns out there's a billion holes in the deck lid. And that's probably why it says it doesn't fit this new of a Camaro. Another day's problem. Another day, another evening. Jesse just pulled up in his Camaro. We're gonna work on his wing. Told him to sleep on it before we put holes in the trunk and then have a bunch of holes from the old wing that we can't fill. So he said he wants to put holes in it, so here we go. Probably good.
Oh yeah.
Batman. I'm Batman.
Motor marked up.
Oh geez.
I'm gonna send it.
Here goes nothing. No pressure. No going back now.
No.
What's a few more holes?
Yeah. For sure.
Just like that, there was a big old wang. That's sick. Just gotta get rid of these, clean up some tape, give it a buff, fill some holes. Just mint. After all that, got it all on there, mocked up, just cleaning stuff up, and the whole thing broke and blew out. We already had to repair one of the riv nuts, and the other one snapped out. So, she'll be going back. Alright, so it's been a week. We got the replacement bumper back from 285 Motorsports. They had no issues replacing it, which is great, and shipped the next day. They answered me on a Sunday. This one's much better condition. Still got to get these bolts back off now and Loctite them in, but Jesse should be here any second with his Camaro. We'll get her mounted up. Bolts are too long. All the bolts had to get cut. Not lining up perfectly, you know, but she'll go. Looking pretty sick. Meanwhile, had some upgrades. Still need a little bit of fitment love, but she's looking good. Just like that, there was a wing.
Yes, sir. Too shabby.
Like it was meant to be. And then there was a wing. Now she really looks complete. Wash, ready for the track.